Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Use Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Cash App with email address. First of all, open your Cash App application, or you can also open up a web browser and type in cash.app in the URL box. This will take you to the official website for Cash App. After getting into the main homepage of Cash App, click on Login at the top right hand corner. In the login area, you will be able to see a Create Account option. Click on it. And in order to create a new account, you will need to go ahead and scan this QR code from your device's camera and enter your email address when prompted. Instead of choosing the phone number option, make sure you choose email and verify your email address that you've provided by using the verification code that will be emailed to you shortly. Follow through the instructions till the end and you will be able to sign up for Cash App with email. But remember that in order to use Cash App, you will need to provide your phone number as well. Having an email alone is not enough for using Cash App. Make sure you have a valid mobile phone number and you can receive SMS in it. And that is the only way you will be able to sign up with Cash App and create a new account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.